Hello everyone, welcome to a quick sewing tips on how to gather your fabric without your gathering foot. What you need is just your fabric that you want to gather and your sewing machine. So let's go to the sewing machine. Let me show you just a quick tip on how to do that. So to gather my fabric without my gathering foot, I've set my tension to 9. But my normal sewing, just to sew my normal stitching, is always 2.5. But for this, I'm going to set it to 9. Then coming to my stitch width, I will set this. Now it's on 2.5, so I will set this to 4.5, which is the highest. That is when I will have my loose stitch. So with this setting, I will just put my fabric on my sewing machine. I'm going to turn it now. So I will just put it. I'm not going to back stitch. I'm not back stitching it. So I will just sew it. Can you see my gathers? It has gathered it very neat. Can you see? So there's no need for me to draw the string. Can you see? So if this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up. Bye bye.